Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.